Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Synology NAS owners, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the Timetec 32GB DDR4-2666 kit, designed as a replacement for the Synology D4-2666-16G. For those unfamiliar, Synology NAS devices are fantastic for home and business use, but sometimes their base memory configuration can be a bottleneck, especially when running multiple applications, virtual machines, or handling large datasets. That's where upgrading the RAM comes in. This Timetec kit comes with two 16GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered SATA modules, running at 2666 MHz with a PC4-21300 rating. It's a 260-pin module operating at 1.2V with a CL19 latency and is dual-ranked 2RX8, based on a 1024x8 configuration. The ECC, or Error Correcting Code, is particularly important for NAS devices as it helps maintain data integrity by detecting and correcting memory errors, which is crucial for long-term storage reliability. Timetec has specifically designed this kit to be compatible with a wide range of Synology NAS models. This includes units from the 22 series like the DS1522 Plus, DS2422 Plus, and DS3622XS Plus, the 21 series including the RS1221RP Plus, DS1821 Plus, and DS1621XS Plus, the 20 series like the RS820RP Plus, the 19 series including the DS2419 Plus and DS1819 Plus, the 18 series like the DS3018XS and DS1618 Plus, and even older models from the 17 series like the DS3617XS. This broad compatibility is a huge plus, ensuring that many Synology users can benefit from this upgrade. The installation process is generally straightforward. Most Synology NAS devices have easily accessible memory slots. Always consult your NAS device's manual for specific instructions, but typically, it involves powering down the device, opening the chassis, locating the memory slots, and carefully inserting the new modules. Make sure they click into place properly. After installation, it's recommended to run a memory test to ensure the new RAM is functioning correctly. Synology's DSM operating system usually provides tools for monitoring system health, including memory usage. In terms of performance, users should see improvements in several areas. Multitasking becomes smoother, applications load faster, and the NAS can handle more concurrent users or processes without slowing down. If you're running virtual machines or Docker containers on your Synology NAS, the extra RAM will make a significant difference. The Timetec 32GB DDR4-2666 kit offers a reliable and cost-effective way to boost the performance and longevity of your Synology NAS. The ECC support, broad compatibility, and ease of installation make it a worthwhile upgrade for anyone looking to get the most out of their Synology device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.